All right, we made quite a bit of progress on the Taurus X today. All kinds of thorough cleaning going on. As you can see, the main seats are out of the car. They have been sprayed and scrubbed and pressure washed, and they are up there in the hot sun drying off. But when you get the seats out, man, it just makes everything else so much easier, you know, just to get underneath everything and spray it down, scrub it down, vacuum everything. This seat here was really, really bad. I mean, I know it's hard to see in the darkness here, but it was just bad. Every seat in this car was bad. You know, stains all over them. Just dirty everywhere. It's not that difficult, honestly. I mean, each seat only has four nuts and bolts. No big deal, you know. Got two in the back here, two in the front, and of course your electrical connections on the front seats. But this thing was looking bad. I mean, it's only a 2008. Well, it is almost 12 years old. Same back here. The back area was just dirty. The spare tire was in there and it only had 20 psi. You know, it needs 60. All this back here was really dirty. The whole seat would not even move properly. You know, these are a little bit complicated as far as laying them down and tilting them different ways and all that. Each little cubby area was really dirty down in there. Everything was just nasty. Just nasty. You know, it's like, who keeps their car like this? It's not like this is some clunker old whatever. I mean, this thing was decent when it was new. You know, a Taurus X is a nice car. You know, as far as Fords are concerned, these things are good. So I don't know why people just whatever. You know, just let them fall to crap. You know, I mean, I personally don't understand that mentality. So we'll probably give it one more vacuuming over. Another good wipe down. All of the vents were cleaned out. Most of these vents had to be replaced because this little knob was broken off on all of them. How? I don't know. The radio was replaced because the buttons were just worn out. You know, just so many just excessive wear and whatnot, you know. But I mean, yeah, it has 150,000 miles, but goodness, I've got cars with that many miles and they don't look this bad, or, you know, as bad as this one did. So if you want to do a thorough cleaning of your car, take the seats out. It only takes a few minutes to do it. Go to town cleaning those seats, top, bottom, left, right. Get underneath here, you know, spraying and scrubbing and, you know, animal spray, whatever you got, something that'll take if there's, you know, smells in the car. You may not realize it because you've had the car for so long. But I can guarantee you most cars that are getting up in age have got some smells in there. So that's what's been going on today on the Ford Taurus X, and it is coming along. Still got a few things left to do. Don't ask me how, but look at these little dings here. I have no idea, but almost all of them are dented like that. So we've got some used ones from the junkyard we're going to put in there. The roof rack here, this side is okay, but the left side is pretty well scraped up, and see that there, you know? This car obviously sat for a while. So we're going to try and make it better. So check out our channel. We'll be posting more videos soon about this 2008, 2009 Ford Taurus X. See y'all later.